Hello everyone. Welcome to our day 1 of our 20-day challenge for the kanji for grade 1 in Japan. So first kanji, we have 1, which would be related to hitotsu and ichiban. Hitotsu meaning one thing. Ichiban, best, first, or number 1. That's our number 1 for today. Second would be right, or the kanji for migi. It's related to migite, right hand, migigawa, which is right side, right. Third would be rain. Related kanji is o-ame, which means heavy rain. Second would be ko-ame, which is light rain. And the fourth one would be yen. I believe most of us are familiar that yen represents Japanese money, and that is Nihon en, Japanese yen. Sorry. So that's our day 1 for our 20-day challenge. See you guys tomorrow. Alright, hey guys, I just made a mistake. Now, as you could see, there is this ko-ame, which means light rain. But in Japan, it's read as ko-same, which is also light rain. When it's raining, it's not that very strong, so light rain. So we have ko-same and not ko-ame. Alright, let's delete that.